Hello, my name is Brandon Cotton, and this is my convention proposal topic, African American Male Mentors and the Benefits to Educating Minority Students. During my convention, I will highlight the student benefits of having an African American male mentor to teach, guide, and grant a positive role model. Teachers and other mentors slash mentees will be given information on how to become a mentor and what impacts they can achieve. My presentation will be approximately 1 hour max, and my attendees will sit in round tables for group discussions and also make poster board presentations for some of the information going over during the conference. My audience is in particularly males in the primary and secondary education field, as well as male and female primary and secondary teachers and faculty. I also recommend that community members and volunteers come as well because they can also become mentors, and that will be very beneficial to the student body population in certain communities. To engage my audience, I will tackle such issues such as at-risk students, students dealing with discrepancies due to minority status or wealth status, and how mentorship and volunteering can be a benefit to students in your community. When it came down to choosing my topic, I wanted to pick a topic related to my own field. Currently, I am a seventh grade ELA slash ESL English teacher, and I'm also a student mentor. I mentor four students as far as my roster goes, but I also mentor and talk with various students at the primary, elementary, secondary, middle, and high school levels around my district. The process was not too hard for me because I just wanted to make sure I chose a topic that had to do with my own career field. So I know I wrote my article draft presentation for the ELAR TEACS implementation for the 2019-2020 semester. So I chose another aspect of my career, which is mentoring and being a student body representative. The convention I plan on delivering my proposal is at the 35th Annual State Conference Empowering Educational Excellence Through Equity, hosted by the National Association of Black Educators, I'm sorry, excuse me, the Texas Association for Black Educators, TABSE. This conference is led on improving education for Black and minority students, and I feel I can offer a great insight as to the benefits I can give and receive as a Black male educator and teacher and mentor towards students in the African American and other brown communities. Mentoring my students, I can see how beneficial it is to them. For some kids, I'm the reason they come to school every day, and I'm just able to be in their lives and guide them throughout this educational journey. This is my presentation and proposal. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your feedback on what you think, and I hope you have a great rest of your evening. Have a great day.